Edo government don't seal up buildings when no get government plan for Benin. Edo State Ministry for Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development don't carry waka enter GRA for Benin City on Wednesday to do check for businesses to sabi if their building follow government plan. The enforcement team went start their waka for Boundary Road, seal up one lounge for Boundary Road when they operate without approval from government. Henry Nabulele, when be the head of enforcement team for the ministry, come talk say the building no follow government plan at all. Say the land could cause too much noise as old GRA in an area where people they stay.
The reason why we mark this place now, say this place now old GRA, and this land originally they designated for residential. We now see what they do here now commercial, now which is not allowed. Even if we go allow something, there is a process where you go follow. You will write to government will tell us, okay, we will approve them for you. So you will just come. You can imagine what we see here now. See all the fine houses, see what they do here and all those things. You not get approval. It's against the rule. Here now, you see the next house now, residential. Person go sleep here and the night and they go to blow music here, they blow big disco, they do everything. They disturb the sanity of another neighbor, which is bad. So operation plan they do what they do so, and to do the right thing, to make sure say where all of us sleep with our two eyes closed, to make sure say your neighbor not disturb you with your own life where you want to live. We want everybody to be happy. For this one, we don't seal them up. As we seal them up now, then the person will come tell us who give them the power, the right to do what they do here. So
them constantly carry waka enter Adesua, Etete, Limit and other areas around GRA to seal up some lounges when they operate without permit from government. Consumer notice give businesses, make them sharply go the ministry go collect government permits.
Now that you are aware you refuse to do it, we will enforce the law. So that is where we are pharmacists. So what do we do?
Sir, we are actually staff of this establishment. We have a boss. Okay. So we cannot take any action when our boss is not here. So we have to put a call across to our boss.
Is there no way you can leave a message behind?
We have left one before.
One has been left in the past.
Please, can we have the seal? Open the seal.
Them can carry waka enter Limit Road where them seal up former Negbenegbo High School. Sake of them don't change the original plan of the building when it be school to hotel. Say before today, the ministry don't serve the contractor notice, but nobody respond. The team can carry waka go Airport Road where them seal up gas plants for some filling station until say government no approve them. Nosa Asemuta, when be director for planning permits for the ministry, can talk say this waka wey shele na sake of Operation Plan Edo joint government effort to make sure say buildings follow the original plan for the state.
As they see everywhere for the GRA, so many human activities there, where you both they call anthropogenic activities, where they come up for the area, where not supposed they, we will not supposed permit. But the way our society be since people just they do things the way they like, when they try and take the inventory of those things, the ones that we can tolerate, the one we will feel live with, we'll leave them. They will come do the normal thing so that we'll still get data base of all those activities. It's not good, no, we just get activities around us. We get illegal gas plants, we get lounges and everything. If they ask us, say, how many lounges there at this one road, we don't know. But today, we can tell you how many where we get there. Because you follow us, go around, see the way the whole place be. We'll first tell you, after this exercise now, the ones where we go live and the ones where we go. Because many people there, they convert the house where they stay before to where they play disco music. If they play loud disco music outside, your neighbor there with you there, you know say not be better thing, not be proper thing to do. So now all those things we try say I will take check them so that we'll make Edo day livable as our governor want them. And as we all want and we will fit take the leave for the place where we will say yes, we get place where we they live. We not go the wrong go Obodo Imbo. We not go the wrong go other places where we plan their own city. Now we want plan our city by ourselves. Now we be Edo people. No person will come plan for us. If the way that they talk and Igbo go say, for example, say something happen tomorrow, I know if you run past Edo, I be Edo man. na Edo I go run come. So to make the Edo dey livable for all of us, na we dey try do so to make sure say the environment dey clean, e dey aesthetically pleasing, and public health issues no come dey generate because of the kind of activities wey we dey see every day. Some day wey be say e go return to the original use when we say e must be, or wey e first dey, or wey e dey compatible with the activity wey dey go on around there. Some day wey we want just get wetin dem dey do there so that e go see enter our database. You see, we dey go around since they do operation plan Edo. Without data we no go fit plan. So all this data go help us if we wan do our plan tomorrow, because you know say Edo state government dey do master plan for Benin City, and they do regional development plan for the full state. All these informations na we need to take make sure say that master plan will come dey successful.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.